How to copy values from Tableau to a Slack channel. You can do this in 7 steps. 1. Open Tableau and navigate to the dashboard or report containing the values you want to copy. 2. Highlight the data or table section you need and use the copy function to copy it to your clipboard. 3. Open Slack and go to the channel where you want to share the data. 4. Paste the copied values directly into the message box. If needed, use Slack's formatting tools to organize the data properly. 5. If you want an automated solution, set up a Tableau Slack integration using webhooks or third-party apps like Zapier. 6. Configure the integration to automatically send updated values from Tableau to Slack on a scheduled basis. 7. Review and test the shared values to ensure accuracy. Then notify your team about the new data updates.